Hello my beautiful crochet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful ruffle earrings. So please stick around with me as I will show you how to do this in just 30 minutes. So you're going to need hope earrings, knitting yarn. I'm using 0.85 millimeter crochet hook. So we're going to start by tying a knot. Then carry your hope earrings and your crochet hook. Insert your crochet hook beneath the hope earrings. Insert it to the slip knot and hold it with your thumb. Then you attach your thread. So we're going to make 46 single crochet around these hope earrings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you make up to 46 and we'll meet at the end. So I've just finished the 46 single crochet around the hope earrings. So I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then you turn, yarn over. In the first loop we're going to make a double crochet. So pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then you make 2 chains. 1 and 2. Yarn over and count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th place you insert and make 2 double crochet there. 1 and 2. Make 2 chains again. 1, 2. Yarn over, count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th place insert and make 2 double crochet. Then make 2 chains again. 1, 2. Yarn over, count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th place you insert and make 2 double crochet. Then chain 2 again, and you repeat the same thing to the end of the row. So you do the same in the last loop. In the last loop, make 2 double crochet there. 1, and 2. Make chain 1 and turn. So on the second row we'll just be making single crochet to make the ruffle. So under this chain 2 space, make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then under these 2 double crochet, so you are going to insert and make 4 front posts single crochet. So you make 1, insert again, yarn over and pull through 2, insert again, yarn over and pull through 3, insert again, yarn over and pull through 4. Then you turn and make 4 single crochet under the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the same thing here. 4 front posts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you turn and make 4 single crochet here under the chain 2 space again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to repeat the same thing to the end. So when you reach the end, you are going to make 4 single crochet here. Then insert your crochet hook here and attach, making 1 single crochet too. So you make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and turn. So after the chain 3, you yarn over again and make another double crochet in the same place. Then make 1 chain, yarn over, come to this place. In the middle of this 4 single crochet that we make here, we'll make 2 double crochet again. 1 and 2. Make 1 chain, yarn over, come to this place. In the middle of the 4 single crochet, we'll make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Then you make chain 1, yarn over, come to this place. In the middle of the 4 single crochet, insert and make 2 double crochet. Then make chain 1. So you are going to repeat the same thing to the end. Make your double crochet in the middle of only these 4 single crochet that we make. So I'll meet you at the end. So at the end, yarn over and make your double crochet on top of this chain 3 that we did earlier. Make 1 chain and turn. So we have just finished row 3. So on the last row, we are going to repeat row 2 here. So under this chain 2 space, you make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then under the 2 double crochet, you still make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you turn again. Under this chain 2 space, make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you make 4 under the 2 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you are going to repeat the same thing to the end of the row, and this is the last row. So please do the same. I'm going to meet you at the end. So in the last piece, you turn and make the last four single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you make 1 chain and cut the yarn and weave in your ends. So guys, at the end, this is how our ruffle earrings look. So gorgeous. Please, if you love this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.